Hey there. So, imagine you're working in VS Code and you bump into a little problem. You're in a zone, typing away, and suddenly you think, hey, wouldn't it be cool to enter programmatic commands on the fly? But then you remember your trusty Sublime text days and hitting Control plus single quote to open a console for Python commands. Now you're wondering if VS Code has a similar feature. Let's dive into this problem and find a solution, shall we? In comes the solution. Simply head over to Help Toggle Developer Tools in VS Code. From there, you can click on Console and start executing JavaScript commands. Pretty neat, right? However, there's a small catch. While you can tinker with JS commands, using functions like showInformationMessage from the VS Code extension API won't work outside of extensions. This API is strictly for extensions due to security reasons. If you want to know more about the nitty-gritty details, check out the extension host documentation for a deep dive. Now let's wrap things up. In a nutshell, if you ever find yourself yearning to run lines of code on the fly in VS Code, the Toggle Developer Tools option is your best friend. Just remember that while you can play around with JavaScript commands in a console, certain VS Code extension APIs are off limits for security purposes. So, keep coding, exploring, and who knows, maybe you'll stumble upon your own cool versus code hack along the way. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and drop a comment below. Happy coding, folks!